Hello viewers and welcome to Review Information. In this video I will show you how to link your YouTube account with your TikTok account. Go to the TikTok app from your apps list. Tap on the profile icon from the bottom right corner. Now tap on the button Edit Profile. From Edit Profile, tap on the last option Add YouTube. Now enter the email address of your YouTube account. Then tap on Next. Enter the password of your email address. Then tap on Next. Now select the YouTube channel which you want to link in your TikTok account. And you can see your YouTube channel name is showing at the bottom. Now tap on Save from the top right corner. In your profile, you can see a YouTube logo beside your Edit Profile button. If you tap on this icon, you will be forwarded to your YouTube channel. Now tap on the YouTube icon. A menu will pop up from the bottom. Select YouTube. Your YouTube channel is opened. So in this way, you can link your YouTube channel into your TikTok account. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Goodbye.